When you think of Ireland, what springs to mind? Perhaps you think of rolling green fields, shamrocks, and a pint of the black stuff. Or perhaps you think of darker elements of Ireland's past. Well, would it surprise you if I told you that Ireland was in fact Botox capital of the world? Amazingly, one small town in rural Ireland produces 100% of the world's Botox supply. Yeah, you heard that right, 100%. Even more amazing is the small size and relative isolation of the area. That's our topic today, the surprising story behind Botox. So what is Botox? Botox is a biological product widely used for its cosmetic surgery applications to boost facial appearance. Richard Clark, a plastic surgeon from California, was the first doctor granted FDA approval to use botulinum toxin for cosmetic application in 1989. Since then, the Botox and general facial aesthetics market has grown astronomically. The global market for Botox products reached $2.9 billion in 2018. Historically, Botox was investigated for potential military use during World War II. But weaponization was deemed too difficult and research was shelved. Nowadays, clinical trials are ongoing to treat a wide range of ailments with Botox, such as chronic migraines, depression, excessive sweating, and chronic pain. The exact production process for Botox is a highly guarded company secret. It is believed to start out with the source drug, botulinum neurotoxin type A. This material is so highly concentrated that 1 purified gram is enough to make the global supply for an entire year, and so highly toxic that a single gram in crystalline form is enough to kill more than 1 million people, if evenly dispersed and inhaled. A minute amount of the toxin is mixed with a saline solution and is sterilized. From there, the solution is placed in a glass vial, which is then placed into a drying chamber, reducing the solution to a small dry patch at the bottom of the vial. Saline is then returned to the vial to form an injectable liquid. The vials are then inspected for defects and are packaged, ready to be shipped. Allergan is a US-founded, Ireland-based pharmaceuticals corporation, which exports to over 100 markets and has 40 manufacturing facilities worldwide. Employing 17,800 people with a revenue of $15.9 billion in 2017, Allergan produces a wide range of products, and chief among them is one of their largest money spinners, Botox. With sales jumping from 1.67 billion euros in 2016 €3.6 billion in 2018, the Botox market shows no signs of slowing down. Allergan, established in Westport 42 years ago, and in 2018 employed 1,700 people, directly adding €40 million to the local economy each year. With a population of just 6,198 people, Westport, County Mayo, lies at the foot of Croagh Patrick, on the easternmost edge of Clew Bay. Despite having a rail and road link, and being in the close vicinity of Knock International Airport, Westport is a relatively remote and small town. A major economic part of the town is its thriving tourism sector, as well as its being home to the Allergan factory, which employs a whopping 1,163 people. Allergan Pharmaceutics is Westport's single biggest employer, and it is the only company in the world which produces Botox for commercial use. As such, Allergan Pharmaceutics is incredibly important, not only for Westport, but the entire region. And it is the reason that Little Westport is dubbed the Botox capital of the world. So, you might be asking yourself, what does this all mean? Botox is a widely used cosmetic product, with celebrities ranging from Nicole Kidman to Courtney Cox having admitted to using Botox in the past. It cannot be denied that Botox, and with it other cosmetic treatments, are part and parcel of the West's celebrity culture. Additionally, the global cosmetics market is a behemoth of world trade. According to Orbis research, the worldwide cosmetics industry is expected to reach a whopping market valuation of $805 billion by 2023. As the years march on, so too does the use of social media, especially in younger age groups. Hardly a day goes by when concerns are not raised about the potentially harmful effects of the normalization of cosmetics use, especially by social media influencers and celebrities using their brand to advertise on behalf of cosmetics corporations. However, on the other hand, people often see a positive side to cosmetic culture, that being the boost in confidence people get from using cosmetics goods and services. So, what do you think? Were you surprised about the origins of Botox? What's your view on cosmetic culture? Have your say in the comments.